counting adventure with Sunny the Counting Star. Hi there, little friends. Welcome to my counting adventure. My name is Sunny the Counting Star, and I'm so excited to play and learn with you. Today, we're going to have so much fun discovering numbers and learning how to count. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let me tell you a secret. Numbers are all around us. From the toys in your room to the stars in the sky, numbers make everything super fun and exciting. And guess what? You're going to be a counting star just like me by the end of this adventure. Let's start with the very first number. This is the number 1. Everybody say it with me, 1. Great job! Do you know what we can count with the number 1? Let's take a look. Here's 1 apple. Yum! Let's say it again together. 1 apple. And here's 1 ball. Boing, boing! Can you say it with me? 1 ball! Amazing counting. Now I need your help. Can you find the number 1 hiding on the screen? Look carefully. Yay, you found it! You're a terrific counter. Now that we know 1, let's move to 2. Say it with me. 2. Look, 2 bananas. Let's count them together. 1, 2. Great job! Let's sing a song to help us remember these numbers. Sing with me! 1, 2, 3. Count with me. 4 and 5. It's so easy. Let's clap and count. 1, 2, 3. Numbers, numbers, come with me. You did it! You sound amazing. Let's play a game. Look at my magical sky. Can you count how many stars you see? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars. Great job, everyone. Wow, we're already at 10. Let's count from 1 to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! Oh, do you want to try something extra fun and tricky? Let's count backwards from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! That was so much fun. Now we're going to move our bodies while we count. Are you ready? Let's clap our hands as we count to 5. Great clapping! Let's try jumping this time. Jump with me while we count to 3. What great jumpers you are! Time for another game. Look at these numbers. 1, 2. What number is missing? That's right. It's 3. Way to go! Counting stars. Did you know you can find numbers and practice counting wherever you go? Look at your toys. Can you count them? Or when you're eating yummy snacks, try counting your crackers or grapes. There are numbers everywhere. Counting makes everything more exciting, don't you think? Let's go back to my starry sky. Look, the stars are twinkling and just waiting to be counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Yay, that was so much fun! You've done such an amazing job today. You're officially a counting star like me. Here's your special badge. Shine just like a star. You can count anything, anywhere, because you're so brilliant. Before we go, let's do one last song together to celebrate how much we've learned. Ready? Counting is fun. Oh, yes, it is. With numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. 10 makes counting so divine. Woohoo! You're incredible! Little counting stars, it's time to say goodbye for now. But don't worry, I'll be back soon for another fun adventure. Next time, we might learn about shapes, colors, or even animals. Remember, you're a superstar. Bye-bye. Come back soon for more counting fun.